up, little yoga girl? What's going on? I see you got your little mat wearing your Toms. My name is Dave from that Whole Foods song. You wanna meditate with me? I'm like, well anyway, I guess you better be going. The last thing I wanna do is stop your vinyasa from flowing. You need some mat space, go on, be about it.
It's just that Vinny's class gets so damn crowded.
Yeah, that's what I heard, it gets pretty tight. What's up for later though, you wanna try to grab a bite? We could hit up Revolution or the Earth Cafe, have a vegan cookie and talk about your day. Or we could take a walk down by the ocean. I heard those hip openers release a lot of emotion. It's all good though, you know, like either way. You feel like going with me?
Nah, namaste.
Hey yo, girl, I just wanna know your world. When you do your chaturanga, do your toes curl? Hey yo, girl.
Seem like a nice enough guy, but just not my scene. I think your third eye could maybe use some Visine. Your breathing sounds just a little heavy, cool guy. You need to come to class and learn some Ujjayi. I know you see me every single day like Groundhog, and I appreciate it, but I'm not down, dog. I'm gonna grab a coconut water and be on my way. I wish you peace and blessings. Namaste.
Hey yo, girl, I just wanna know your world. When you do your chaturanga, do your toes curl? Hey yo, girl.
Lady Yoga, I sure would love to get to know ya. I got a couple next level poses I could show ya. My first choice, rub lotion on my stiff joints. It's thoughts of you that keep my man Duka Matt moist. Your aura's glowing, your Taria's steady flowing. I signed you up for my newsletter without you knowing. I wanna fly your whole posse to Varanasi, or we can go to Goa and sip some mango lassi. Cause I love it when you call me Big Baba. I wanna explore your bodhisattva, unblock my chakras. You got my 4th level exposed. When you fold them Lululemons in a bow pose, you're like a model with that metal water bottle always with you. I'm trying to be sleeping Vishnu, straight up.
Hey yo, girl, I just wanna know your world. When you do your chaturanga, do your toes curl? Hey yo,